In this video, we're going to dive into how to set up Process.st's workflow approvals so you can streamline your team's operations and maintain full control over your processes. Whether you're new to Process.st or looking for a quick guide to optimize your workflows, stick with me until the end for some exclusive tips that will help you save time and boost productivity. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is workflow approval so crucial? Well, when you use Process.st's workflow approvals, you can ensure that no task is considered complete until it's been reviewed and approved by the right people in your organization. This prevents mistakes and keeps things moving smoothly. If you're new to Process.st, you can use it for completely free through the first link below with some exclusive bonuses. Let's get into it. First, to set up a workflow approval, go into your Process.st account and open the workflow you want to edit. Once inside the workflow, find the task you want to set up the approval process for. This is a critical part because you're identifying where approvals need to happen in your workflow. Now click on that task, and in the task editor, you'll see an option to add approval or enable approval depending on the interface. This feature is where you'll be able to specify who needs to approve a task. You can assign an approval role to a team member or even multiple people depending on your workflow needs. It's all about who needs to review and sign off before the task moves forward. You can also adjust this later, so don't worry if you're not sure of the perfect setup at first. Next, let's talk about notifications. After setting up the approval step, you'll want to ensure the designated approvers are notified when it's time for them to review. Process.st allows you to customize the notification process. You can send an email, a Slack message, or even push notifications within the app. This way, you're always sure the right person is informed without missing a beat. Once you've got the approvals set up, you'll be able to track who's approved the task and whether it's ready to move on. Process.st makes it super easy to see the status of your workflows, which is key when managing multiple tasks across teams. It's a great way to keep things transparent and efficient, all in one dashboard. Another cool feature to remember is that you can set up multiple approval steps within a single workflow. So if you need several people to approve a task before it's finalized, you can do that too. Just add more approval stages as needed and tailor each to your team's workflow. Finally, let's talk about the review process. When a task is approved, Process.st automatically moves it along to the next step in your workflow. This seamless transition means no more manually tracking approvals or chasing down team members. Once the task is approved, it's automatically marked as complete, and you can carry on with your next process without interruption. Before we wrap up, here's something you won't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out the first link in the description below, where you can access an exclusive extended free trial of Process.st, along with some amazing bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. To recap, setting up workflow approvals in Process.st is all about making sure the right people review and approve tasks at the right time. By enabling approval notifications, customizing the approval flow, and tracking approvals in real time, you'll streamline your processes and ensure your team stays on track. Whether you're working solo or with a team, these features will save you time and prevent costly mistakes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link for your exclusive offer.